We're all familiar with the Tremec 3555 speed, an OE transmission that was customized to cater to the aftermarket industry, becoming the TKO 500 and 600 transmission. The TKO has seen massive use in the aftermarket performance industry, despite its roots as an OE application. As a Tremec Elite dealer, Bowler Performance is excited to help introduce the new Tremec TKX transmission as Tremec takes the next step into the aftermarket performance industry. It is a performance 5-speed transmission capable of handling 600 foot-pounds of torque, weighing in less than 100 pounds, with the lower profile case for better fitment in muscle cars and street rods, as well as the ability to bolt up to a factory Ford or GM 4-speed bell housing. We had the opportunity to tear into the TKX and to see for ourselves how it has been optimized for the aftermarket world. The TKX features a new 3-piece in-load case design with a mid-plate to prevent deflection, all sealed by metal-clad gaskets. The gear set ratio is identical to the TKO from 1st to 4th gear, with 3rd gear increased in surface area for better torque handling capability, and a range of ratio options for 5th gear. The TKX uses an updated shift rail detent system, similar to what is used in a T56 Magnum, which makes for smoother shifter movement. This is paired with updated synchronizer hubs and springs and carbon hybrid triple cone blocker rings for smooth shifting up to 7,500 RPM. Just in case you were wondering, the TKX does have the same overall length, mount location, and shift position as the TKO transmission. Stay tuned for more info on the new TKX. Until then, feel free to check out our other videos here on YouTube. Thanks for watching.